Hey y'all, if you're here, you're probably here from my blog. If you are not here from my blog, let me explain a little bit of what's going on. So over on my lifestyle blog, that link is in the description below, I do a recommendation of the week every week. This week I am doing a Derma Roller, and because it has to do with a utensil that you use on your face, it's new, somebody might be intimidated a little bit by it. I am accompanying this video with my blog post, kind of a how-to video how to use this. If you want to know more about why I'm recommending this product, you can read that reasoning and why I like it and anything else on my written blog in that link below. So this is my Derma Roller. It comes in a nice little package and it looks like this. It's by Prosper Beauty. I think I got it off Amazon. You know, I didn't do a whole lot of research of where to get it or the best brand to buy for the Derma Roller, but it was a beginner one and I'm pretty satisfied with it. So I'm going to show you how to use this. Let me pull my hair up real quick. Just get my hair out of the way. So when I first used this, I was really intimidated by it. I didn't know how it was going to feel. I was kind of scared. So I just went over my face one time. But I read how to do this and you can do it up to 10 times. I don't do it that many and that seems excessive, but here's how to use your Derma Roller. And again, if you're wondering why I use a Derma Roller, you can read about that on my blog. So what I just do, I start on my neck and then I move to my cheeks, this part of my face, and then my forehead, and then I'll do it all one more time. So I do it 2 times. And I like to do this between steps. I'm a proactive user, we all know that. So I do my proactive routine and then I go with this before I apply the rest of the products to my face. Let's just go ahead and get in. So I do avoid my lips because it tends to make my lips feel a little chapped and I don't like that. I went horizontal on my cheeks. I will now go vertical on my cheeks. I don't know if it makes a difference, but it's what I like to do. And then on my forehead, I went vertically and now I'm gonna go horizontally. And that is it. To clean it, I just soaked it in hot water. You know, I didn't want to put any soap or anything on it because it goes directly onto my skin and I didn't want to irritate my skin at all. But that's it. That's the Derma Roller in a nutshell. If you try it out or if you've already tried it out, let me know how you like it down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at HallieMSwift. Go check out my lifestyle blog at Hallie'sHub.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.